Hi, this is lesson 1 of week 5. Come close to the end of this topic, so it's lesson 11, and we're doing the second algebraic method. That's called the elimination method. Often found when you have two equations in the the xy intercept format. So we have the first task you always make sure you do, and that's we're going to week 5. All right, so it's lesson 1. Click on. I still have a number of students who haven't done the work. However, please attend to that as soon as possible. That's now. So we're going over to lesson 11, solving simultaneous equation. And here we have your detailed explanation as to what you're supposed to do. So we have 3 examples. So watch those videos. Those examples are most probably in this document here, so you can write your own summary notes. And don't forget, you'll be able to also use your calculator to check those. A little bit more practice. So we're doing exercise 4G. Again, when you do answer, you check your answers. Use your rather than use the back of the book. Hey, test it with your calculator. And maybe something you need to try and do is learn to save your work by scanning it using a cam scanner. Save it to Google Drive so that I might be able to check to see your progress. We're going to be doing some revision this week and maybe testing on Friday or at least or Monday of next week. So be prepared. It will be multiple choice questions only. So we'll keep it nice and simple. Still very challenging, but we'll talk more of that when it comes to revision time. So have a good lesson, and don't hesitate to email me if you've got any concerns. Cheers.